The Zastava IMT 555-2026 model is a tractor designated for farmers who believe in strength, simplicity, and long-term reliability. This tractor carries forward the legendary IMT heritage while adapting to modern farming needs. Built for 2 fields and long working hours, the IMT 555-2026 stands as a dependable partner for daily agricultural tasks. At the heart of this tractor is a powerful diesel engine that delivers strong and consistent performance. The engine is designated to provide excellent torque at low RPM, which makes it perfect for plowing, tilling, and hauling heavy loads. Farmers can rely on this engine for fuel efficiency as well as durability, even in extreme weather and rough field conditions. The transmission system of the Zastava IMT 555-2026 is simple yet highly effective. With smooth gear shifting and well-balanced speed ratios, the tractor performs comfortably in both slow precision work and faster transport tasks. Whether you are working in tight fields or moving equipment on rural roads, this tractor offers stable and controlled driving. One of the strongest points of the IMT 555-2026 is its solid and rugged body construction. The chassis is built with heavy-duty materials to handle years of hard agricultural use. The tractor feels stable on uneven land, which increases safety and confidence for the driver. Its strong rear axle and durable tires provide excellent grip, even on muddy or dry soil. Hydraulic performance is another key advantage of this tractor. The hydraulic lifting capacity is suitable for a wide range of farming implements, including plows, cultivators, seed drills, and trailers. The hydraulic system responds smoothly, helping farmers work efficiently and save time during long farming sessions. Comfort has also been considered in the 2026 version of the IMT 555. The seating position is designated to reduce driver fatigue, allowing comfortable operation during long working hours. The steering is easy to handle, making the tractor suitable for both experienced farmers and new operators. Clear controls and a simple dashboard ensure that everything is easy to understand and use. Maintenance is where the Zastava IMT 555 truly shines. The tractor is designated with simplicity in mind, which means fewer electronic complications and easier access to engine and mechanical parts. This makes servicing affordable and convenient, especially for farmers in rural areas. Spare parts are widely available, and repairs can be done without advanced tools. The IMT 555-2026 model is ideal for small to medium-scale farms. It performs well in crop farming, vegetable fields, orchards, and general agricultural operations. Its balanced power and size make it versatile enough to handle multiple tasks throughout the farming season. In terms of value, the Zastava IMT 555-2026 offers excellent long-term investment. It is a tractor built to last, with a reputation for reliability that spans generations. Farmers who choose this model are choosing proven engineering, low running costs, and dependable performance. In conclusion, the Zastava IMT 555-2026 is not just a tractor, it is a hardworking companion for farmers who demand strength, efficiency, and trust. With its powerful engine, strong build quality, simple maintenance, and farmer-friendly design, this tractor continues the proud IMT legacy into the modern era. If you are looking for a machine that works as hard as you do, the IMT 555-2026 is a name you can rely on.